Guys, napadaan tayo dito sa may Jollibee, oh. Jollibee, ito, Rosario. Ayan. Kasilaw nga lang yung ilaw nila.
Alam niyo ba na ang Pilipinas ang may pinakamatagal na preparation ng Christmas dahil per months pa lang. Talagang we celebrate Christmas na day to day. Kaya naman ngayong gabi, hindi ng Pasko ang mararamdaman natin, kundi pati na rin ang spirit of family and fun sa Jollibee. And with that, and I know that you're very excited na rin sa ating in-line up the activity for everyone to watch. But before we do that, once again, we'll be calling the attention of all our special guests ngayong gabi. And these are our special guests na talagang sumuporta sa ating Christmas Joy lighting for tonight. Let's begin with our ex-of Fergie Santos. Hi, sir. Andiyan po siya. This coming from representative coming from Barangay Rosario. Hi, sir. Maraming salamat po for joining us tonight.